in previous class we discussed complements, right? So in that, what is the purpose of complement means? So the digital computer, to simplify the subtraction operation and for logical manipulation, complements are used. Okay, so in one's complement representation, so one's complement representation. So what is a one's complement representation? So for example, 101011. So find one's complement of 101011. That means one's complement is nothing but the one's complement of a binary number is the number that results when we change all ones to zeros and zeros to ones. So in one's complement representation, how you will find out means you can change ones to zeros and zeros to ones. So this is the one's complement representation. So that means find the one's complement for 101011. So here we can change the values 1 to 0, 0 to 1,
1 0
0,
1
1.
0 0.
Yeah, this is the one's complement representation. Is it clear now? One's complement representation. So one's complement representation, simply you can change ones to zeros and zeros to ones. Is it clear? How the one's
Yes, ma'am.
complement representation? So next
Yes.
example, you will solve that example. 11000010. Find out the ones complement of 1100110010. What is the ones complement number for that?
0
double
0
zero double one
0011
double
00
double one double zero double one
01.
01.
Yeah. So is it clear how you can find out the ones complement representation?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we are going to discuss two's complement representation. Next, two's complement representation. So two's complement representation. So the two's complement is the binary number that results when we add 1 to the one's complement. Is it clear? The two's complement is the binary number that results when we add 1 to the one's complement. That is nothing but 2's complement is equal to 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. So this is the 2's complement representation. So 2's complement is nothing but for that whatever the given number is there. So find out the 2's complement means first you can convert that binary number into 1's complement. Then you can add plus 1. That is nothing but 2's complement representation. So 2's complement is nothing but the 2's complement is a binary number that results when we add 1 to the 1's complement. So then you will get the 2's complement. Is it clear? So 2's complement cheyalante first you can convert that binary number to 1's complement. Later whatever the 1's complement result will come. So then we can add that 1's complement plus 1. So it gives us 2's complement. So 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. Is it clear, ma? What is the 2's complement representation? So we will discuss some examples. So for that you can easily understand how you will convert the 2's complement representation. So 2's complement representation. So 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. So find 2's complement. Find 2's complement of 110010. Find 2's complement of 110010 base 2. So this is the binary number. You have to find out the 2's complement for this number. Then what is the first step? So for this binary number, you will convert 1's complement. So later you can add plus 1 to that 1's complement. Then you will get 2's complement. Is it clear? So first you can add 1's complement find out 1's complement for this number. So what is the 1's complement for that number?
00
double zero,
Double
double
one,
10. Sir, 0.
1.
This is the 1's complement. Yeah, this is the 1's complement. Then you can find out the 2's complement result. So 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. 1's complement plus 1. So 1 means 1 second. Here you can know that addition. So 1 means 1 0. 1 means 1 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 means 1. Here 1 0 0. So 000110, right? So if you want to perform the addition of binary numbers, so 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. Then you can add a plus 1 to this 1's complement. So 1 means 1 0. 0 plus 1 1. Here there is no values in this. So 1 1 0 0. Like this you can perform the addition. So for that addition I can tell the how you can perform the addition. So binary addition. So here A and B are the two values in sum and carry. So these are the inputs. A and B are the inputs. And S and C are the outputs. Okay, so here 2 inputs, right? How many combinations? So 2 power 2 is nothing but 4 combinations. Those combinations are 0 0 0 1
10.
1 0 1. So 0 plus 0 0 only, that is 1 0 carry 0. 0 plus 1 1 1 1 carry 0. 1 plus 0 1 sum 1 carry 0. Here 1 plus 1 is nothing but not 2. This is the binary one. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but you can assume that 2. So 2 value is nothing but 1 0, right? Here the sum is nothing but 0 and carry is nothing but 1. Is it clear? So 1 plus 1 is nothing but not 2. Why? Because this is the binary representation. The values must and should be in the range of zeros and ones only. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but it will be indicated as 2. So 2 for binary number is 1 0. In that sum is 0 and carry is 1. So sum is 0 and carry is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Whereas 3 ones వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి. Suppose 3 inputs means 1 1 1. So
3.
for that so for that 3, so 3 equivalent is 1 1. So sum 1 carry 1. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then you can do examples on 2's complement. Find the 2's complement of very, very important concept. 1's complement and 2's complement. Find the 2's complement of 1010 1101. Find out and tell me what is the answer.
Ma'am, 0101 0011.
So one's complement, two's complement, Amir Cheppindi. What's the value? Whether it is two's complement or one's complement?
Two's complement, ma'am.
Yeah, two's complement is
0101
0101
0011.
double one. Yeah, very good. Everything got this answer? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everyone got
Yes,
this
ma'am.
answer? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, you can do one more example. 1100 1101 001. Convert this to complement.
Ma'am, 0011
Double zero double one.
10110.
00
Double one. Triple zero.
10 double one
Triple
double
one.
one. Yeah,
One,
very
ma'am.
good. Yeah, very good. This is the two's complement representation. So 00 11 111 01 sorry 10 and 3 zeros. So you can add plus 1 means 111. So then it is a two's complement representation for this binary number. Now is it okay? How you convert one's complement and two's complement numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next one, tens complement representation. Tens complement representation concept is over. Tens complement. Or is it completed or not? Tens complement representation. That means radix one. Radix, complements are two types, radix and diminished radix, right? So diminished radix means nines complement, ones complement, that is r to the power of n minus 1 minus n. So this is the diminished radix complement. Radix complement means two's complement, tens complement, that is base complement. So tens complement is completed or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what's the tens complement is nothing but nines complement plus 1. So what is the tens complement? Nines complement plus 1. Then it will be get the tens complement. Nines complement plus 1. So it will be the tens complement. So tens complement is equal to nines complement plus 1. So already we discussed nines complement, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Already we discussed nines complement. Yeah. So nines complement is the diminished radix complement. For that you can add plus 1 means it will be becoming the tens complement. Okay. So here how we will obtain the tens complement means first you can do the nines complement. Later you can add plus 1, then you will get the tens complement. Okay, so we will discuss one example for this later. You can easily understand. So tens complement of find out tens complement of decimal 2389. 2389. So this is the find out the tens complement of decimal 2389. So first you can find out the nines complement. Then for that nines complement you can add plus 1. That will be a tens complement. So first whatever the value is there, for that value you can find out the nines complement. So how you can find out the nines complement? What is the formula for that? r to the power of n minus 1
1
minus
n.
n.
Capital N.
Yeah. So r to the power of n. N is nothing but number of bits. How many number of bits is there? 4.
4.
What is the
Four.
base? What is the base?
10.
10.
So 10 to the power of 4 minus 1 minus, yeah, what is the n value? 2, 3,
8, 9.
3.
yeah. So 10 to the power of 4 means
7610. 10,000. 10,
10,000 minus 1 means 4 nines will
999.
yeah,
7610, ma'am.
7610. So 4 nines and 7389 and you will get 7610, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the nines complement value. 7610 is the 7610 is the nines complement value. For this value, you can add +1. For this value, you can add
one.
+1. So then what is the result?
7611.
7611.
7611.
Yeah. So this is the tens complement value. Is it clear now how you can find out the tens complement?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So tens complement, nines complement +1, and then you will get tens complement. Another easy method I will tell you. So here, so you forget this formula. You forget this formula. Assume that you forget this formula. Then what you can do? So simply you can leave this problem. If it is a 4 marks question or 5 marks question, you forget this formula, then what you will do? You can stop the attempt this question, right? But simply I can tell you one shortcut. How many number of digits are there?
4.
2, 3, 4,
Four.
and 4. Yeah, 4 digits. You can subtract this value by 4 nines. So how many number of bits are there? That number of nines you can place and subtract this value. Then you will get the answer nines complement. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So for example, 76891. This is the tens. Find out the tens complement of this decimal value means how many number of digits are there?
5.
5.
5. So you can subtract these values from 5 nines. Then you will get the nines complement. Then you can simply add +1. Then you get tens complement result. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So your formula, you can substitute same values in this formula. You get the same result when subtracting the 9 values only. For example, you can assume that this problem, that is 76891. Find out the tens complement for this decimal value. So what I told
2310.
them,
23109.
how many number of digits are there?
5.
5 digits. So you can place 5 nines and subtract this value 76891. So 8 0
1,
1 3
3, 2.
2. So this is the nines complement. Then you can add +1. So then what is the result?
23109.
23109.
Yeah, so this is the tens complement representation, 23109. You can apply same value in formula to the power of n minus 1 minus n. So to the power of n, how many number of bits? 5 bits.
5.
And base is 10. So 10 to the power of 5
And
minus
power of
1
5
minus
76891.
76891. So how many nines will come here?
5
10 to the power of 5 minus 1.
5
nines.
9.
So then you will subtract 689. So 23108, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3108. For this is the nines complement value plus 1. You will get 23109.
3109.
So this by using formula you can apply this procedure. You can forget the formula. So this is the simple simple way you can find out the 10th complement or 9th complement for these representations. So this shortcut is used in your competitive examination also. There 1 minute time, 1 minute kuda kaadu. So 50 seconds way is enough to find out this value, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
comparing this one, it is very easy, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So like this, some shortcuts are there. This is useful for your competitive examinations. So then you can aware that how you can find out the 10th complement.
Yes, ma'am.